there, welcome to DIY with Aurea and the Blue Conte. Ready, let's make some magic.
Today is an open collaboration, anything autumn. The links directly to these talented creators is going to be down in my description box. I went to Dollar General and I've seen both of these, actually two of these owls, and they were 50% off, so I paid $3 for two of them. They also had a blue one, but I didn't purchase the blue one. I'm also going to be distressing the entire piece with this territorial beige. I've been using this color pretty often lately in my videos. I think it's a pretty color for the season. I'm also going to be applying some heat to make sure that this dries quick, and then I place some floral foam in the inside. I'm always talking about Michael's $5 grab bags. Every time I have the chance and I see that they have the $5 grab bags, I just run to the store and try to buy a couple of boxes because they always have nice stuff. Most of the floral that I purchased last year at those grab bags is the ones that I've been using for this fall season. Of course, some of it is from Dollar Tree as well. So as you see, I'm just going to continue to add more floral, and I also have a couple of pumpkins that I'm going to be incorporating it also in this floral arrangement. I'm thinking about placing this. I still have this in my craft room, but I am planning on putting this on my fireplace. I'm going to be decorating it really pretty for this season, and I'm going to show you how it turned out in a few minutes. But now I have the second one that I want to also decorate. Now for this second owl, I'm going to be painting the entire piece with the same territorial beige, and I'm going to give it one nice heavy coat. I'm not going to let that white penetrate through like I did the other one. I'm also adding some heat to make sure that it's completely dry. And now let's go ahead and distress it with the white chalk paint. So all I'm doing to the second piece is just doing it the opposite way. The other one I just added that territorial beige, but then this one I added first so the territorial beige, and then I just went on and I distressed it with the white chalk paint. And then after this is done, I'm also going to add more heat to it, and of course we are going to come in with some more floral and start decorating it. And today's video is part of an open collaboration. It's called Anything Autumn. The links directly to these talented creators is going to be down in my description box for your convenience. There's also going to be a playlist. Please make sure that as soon as you watch this video, you jump right into that playlist. And if you are coming from one of those platforms, I am so honored to have you here. I hope you consider subscribing, sharing, and liking if you enjoy this video. And now, my dear friends, here is the final reveal. And my friends, this is another simple project. If you have some kids at home, maybe you can try it with them. All I did was take any kind of jar that I have laying around in my home. All I did was added some of this orange acrylic paint. And of course, as you see, I placed the orange acrylic paint in the inside, and then with a long brush, all I'm doing is just spreading it around. Later on, after I did this, I thought, man, I should have just left a little spot here and there without painting, because I came in and I tried to add some green acrylic paint to see if it could look like a pumpkin. It didn't quite turn out how I wanted, but it still turned out beautiful once I added everything else in. And here's the part when I'm adding a little bit of green acrylic paint in the inside, and you cannot hardly even tell. You see what I'm saying? So I just went on and I continued to do what I was doing, but it really didn't make a difference. And here how it's turned out after I did everything. So I also purchased some window clings last year, and these are the ones that I have. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this one up here, and that's the one that I'm going to be placing right here on this jar. And look at how pretty it looks. I really like this. And then you could always change it around if that's what you feel like doing. And then of course I'm going to be also adding some floral, and then that will be it for this one. And here's another simple one. This one is a mason jar, and for this one I am going to be leaving the space so it could look like a pumpkin. So I'm creating green lines, and once I'm done with the green lines, then I'm coming in with the orange acrylic paint, and then I'm going to start filling in the open spaces. After I was done with both of those lines, I went on and I placed the heat tool right inside just to make sure that it was nice and dry. And then of course, this is how it looks. I also have some more window clings, and look at those pumpkins, how gorgeous they are. But I decided to use giftings, and that's the one that I'm going to be using for this one. And once again, my dear friends, don't forget the playlist down below for more inspiration. You will not regret it. Make sure to let them know that I send you. And my dear friends, this is it. I also added some floral. Here's the final reveal. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget that big thumbs up. So for this DIY, I bought these napkin rings at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be painting them with white chalk paint. And now that they are dry, I'm going to take some of this ribbon. You can use whatever ribbon you desire and whatever color. I have this white, black, and orange, and then I have this other thin one that I wrapped around. Now I'm putting a little bit of hot glue and putting these beautiful pumpkins from Dollar Tree. And this is the way it looks. And I'll be wrapping some jute twine several times on both corners of the pumpkin. So this is the way it looks with and without the jute twine. Now I have this napkin as well from Dollar Tree. I'm going to fold it like a fan and then fold it in half, and this is what I did. This looks absolutely beautiful. I am loving it. And here it is one more time. I did the same thing to all 6 of them. And guys, as a lot of you know, I love to do DIYs on a budget and easy to do. If this is something that you like and you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you as part of my channel.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.